Okay. Blake.
Okay, do it. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
To who?
Happy Easter.
To who?
To Jonas and Bo.
And who else?
Mason and Charles.
To who?
You gotta say it loud.
Right, say it loud.
Happy Easter, Mason Charles.
To who?
Happy Easter, Mason Charles.
Oh, what are you doing today? Are you dyeing eggs?
That's what in that one. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Here you go.
Make sure he's out in the yard,
Okay, be very careful with it now.
working diligently on something.
Be very careful.
Turn.
Yeah, it's not nice.
It's gonna turn blue.
Sure is. You want to say Happy Easter to your cousins?
Happy Easter, your cousins. I say louder.
You say it's hard. Put your hands. Here,
Where's it
you
go?
want me
Where's it go?
Wherever you want.
Here, you
Which
want?
one do you want?
You always like orange.
We just did orange one.
Oh, sorry.
We haven't done a red one or...
Let's do it.
Very careful. Here, that's better.
Is it ready? Is it ready?
It has to like.
This one?
Yep.
But I can draw red. I can't read.
Give me a.
Which one's ready? That
Hold on.
That's the one.
Hey Blake, what are you doing?
We'll talk about it a little bit later.
What are you doing?
one? I don't know. Put the sign on.
You know?